Today's video is about some important questions from chemistry and biology. If you find this video useful and informative, kindly like and subscribe my channel. We'll start with some important questions from chemistry, 1 mark question. So formula for quicklime, it is calcium oxide, CaO. Formula for slaked lime, it is calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Formula for bleaching powder, CaOCl2. So formula for gypsum, CaSO4 2H2O. Formula for plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half H2O. Formula for rust, Fe3O4 NH2O. And a sodium compound used in glass industry, it is sodium carbonate. A sodium compound used in soda acid fire extinguisher, sodium bicarbonate. It is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. A sodium compound used to remove permanent hardness in water, sodium carbonate. The products obtained during chloroalkali process are sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. The last one is name two soft metals which can be cut with a knife, sodium and potassium. Next is 2 marks question. Mention any two difference between acid and base. So acids are sour in taste, base are bitter in taste. Acid contains H plus ions whereas base contains OH minus ions. Acid turns blue litmus red whereas base turns red litmus blue. So next one is list out the properties of ionic compound. They are solids at room temperature. They have high melting point and boiling point. They dissolve in water and they conduct electricity in molten state or in aqueous state. So you have to remember sodium chloride as an example. Common salt is an example for ionic compound. The next one is state the difference between roasting and calcination. Frequently asked question. So roasting is heating the ore in the presence of excess of air. Calcination is heating the ore strongly with limited supply of air. So air here it is limited supply, where here it is excess supply of air. That is example when you are roasting, zinc sulfide ore is converted to its oxide, zinc oxide. Sulfide ore is converted to oxide, whereas here the carbonate ore is converted to oxide. So next one is define thermite reaction and mention the uses. This question is also being asked frequently. So the reaction between iron oxide and aluminum, so it is very highly exothermic. So this high temperature, so this is used to join railway tracks, cracks in the railway tracks and cracked machinery parts. So this reaction, thermite reaction, is used for this two purpose. Next in biology, function of certain hormones. So gibberellins, it helps in growth of stem and flowering. So flowering is caused by this hormone, plant hormone. Then cytokinins, it promotes cell division, cyto. Thyroxine, it regulates the metabolism of fat, proteins and carbohydrates in our body. So thyroxine, it is this hormone is secreted in the thyroid gland. Next is adrenaline. So adrenaline prepares the body to face a emergency situation. So it is produced secreted in the adrenal gland located above the kidney. Insulin, it's a hormone secreted by the pancreas, regulates body sugar level.